Hello magical people, and just as I said on my Instagram, this is going to be the Romwe haul, try on, tell you what I thought about my very first experience. If you've never heard of Romwe, it's very similar to Wish. It's a discounted website or app that you can use to buy clothes for as little as 99 cents. Now, my clothes took about a week to get here. In most cases they do take longer than that, at least from what I've heard. I got 5 items, 4 dresses and 1 skirt. I didn't mean to make my haul all dresses basically, but I just like these items, so that's what I went for. Now I am a size 14-ish on my hips, so that'll kind of let you know how these fit, and I'll let you know the sizes of each item as we go through. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with what I consider the worst first. Now, all of the items came in a bag very similar to this with the zipper, and 2 of them were the rougher plastic with the sticky top. So this is the skirt. I wanted to get a high-waisted black skirt that was long. I didn't expect it to be quite this long. It's below my knee, and I'm 5'8", so I'm pretty tall. So if you were a shorter person, this would almost be a dress on you. And this is a size extra large, and it's nowhere near close to fitting me. You can see the back, like the gap here is insane, and the material does not give it all. It is, it does feel nice, like it doesn't feel super cheap, and it does have like a little crinoline layer under here to kind of help it poof out. I really thought this was going to be a cute high-waisted semi-long skirt. It's just too long, and there's a lot of fabric, so I just feel like it kind of swallows me and doesn't quite, even if it fit, I don't think I would still like it. So for the first item, I was pretty disappointed, and I was really excited about this, so meh. Okay, so here is the next item. It is a navy blue knit dress. It has these pockets here on the bottom. It hits me about mid-thigh, which is a great length. The sleeves actually reach all the way to the end of my wrist without being crazy short, which is kind of a big deal when you're taller. It's really simple, it's really cozy, and I feel like it still looks good. And you could dress this up or you could dress it down. You can use different leggings with it. I really like this one. I've actually worn it a few times already. So I'm really happy with this dress. I think it's cute, and it was like $9. I think everything I bought was pretty much $9 or $10. I spent $50 in total, and that includes shipping, so not too bad. Alright, and here is the next item. This is a full-length yellow dress, and because I'm very pale, I've never really bought anything yellow, but I liked this one a lot. It is of that like kind of rayon-y stretchy material, but it's soft and comfortable. It does have pockets, which is really cool. I like the empire waist on it. It makes me look like I have a figure. And it's full coverage without, you know, too crazy. The flowers do look a little bit like printed on versus a higher quality material, but I don't really mind it. I don't think it looks that bad. Now it is a little bit sheer. I happen to be wearing all black undergarments because but I think if you were wearing lighter colors or nude, it wouldn't be a problem. So I'm really happy with this, and it does reach all the way to my legs, or the end of my legs, I guess. So for my body, it fits well. If you're shorter, this would be a little bit long on you, and if you're taller, it'd be a little bit short on you. But I think for what it is, it was a really good buy. Now I forgot to say, the last dress, the navy dress, that's a size large. I actually sized down because of the comments. Everyone said it was really big, so I went a size down. Everything else was an extra large. And I feel like this fits really well, and it looks really nice, and I'm very happy with it. Alright, so here is the next item. This is a dress that I was really hoping to wear to my birthday party, which is in June, so I wanted something that was coverage but still cute, and this does not fit like it should. I can get it to zip up in the back, but then everything looks extra squeezed in, and it's tight right here. Like all the seaming is right here, and then it stops real close to your lady bits, and it's a little too revealing there for me. If I were to sit down, I'd feel like, whew, I'd have to like cover it in. I thought the leg slit was going to be over here on my leg, but it's kind of right here in the center of my thigh, so it's kind of weird. When I put this on for the first time, I tried to do the halter up here at the top, and the button just completely flew off. This material does not give at all. It's kind of like a crinkly polyester. It's not the greatest. This one's going back. So out of the 5, 2 are going back. I don't think that's too bad. I really had high hopes for this though. I was really going out of my comfort zone. It would have had a cute back here with the bow and the halter, but oh well. Okay, so here is the last item. So this is a burgundy skater dress with the scalloped hem. I really like this item. It is a size extra large. The only issue is that the sleeves are about 3 inches shorter than they should be. I feel like they did this to kind of accentuate that it does have the scallop hem, but at the same time I'd rather them be longer, so I'm probably just gonna do this and make it look intentional. However, it's a little short, but not too bad. I feel like it's cute, it still gives me shape, and it's very comfortable. It's a very cozy, stretchy knit material, so I have no issues with this dress. I think it's really cute, and I like it. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a magical day, and if you've used any of these websites or have any comments or questions about this, please let me know below. And as always, we'll see you in the next video. Have a magical day. Bye!